6 herbs and spices that fight inflammation.
Inflammation is the body's way of fighting infections and healing. However, in some situations, inflammation can get out of hand and last longer than necessary. This is called chronic inflammation, and studies have linked it to many diseases, including diabetes and cancer. Diet plays a crucial role in your health. What you eat, including various herbs and spices, can affect inflammation in your body. This video reviews the science behind 9 herbs and spices that may help fight inflammation. It's worth noting that many studies in this video talk about molecules called inflammatory markers. These indicate the presence of inflammation. Thus, a herb that reduces inflammatory markers in the blood likely reduces inflammation. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is a delicious spice with a peppery yet sweet flavor. You can enjoy this spice in various ways such as fresh, dried or powdered. Outside of ginger's culinary uses, people have used it for thousands of years in traditional medicine to heal numerous conditions. These include colds, migraines, nausea, arthritis, and high blood pressure. Ginger contains more than 100 active compounds such as gingerol, shogaol, gingiberine, and gingerone, to name a few. These are likely responsible for its health effects, including helping reduce inflammation in the body. An analysis of 16 studies in 1,110 participants found that taking 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of ginger daily for over 14 to 12 weeks significantly reduced markers of inflammation compared with a placebo. These markers included C-reactive protein and tumor necrosis factor alpha. Other research looked at the effects of taking 500 to 1000 milligrams of ginger daily in people with osteoarthritis, a degenerative condition involving joint inflammation. The studies found ginger may reduce inflammatory markers such as TNF-A and interleukin 1 beta, as well as reduce joint pain and increase joint mobility. Ginger is also incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into many dishes such as stir fries, stews, and salads. Alternatively, you can purchase ginger supplements from health food stores or online. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is a popular spice with a strong smell and taste. People have used it in traditional medicine for thousands of years to treat arthritis, coughs, constipation, infections, toothaches, and more. Most of the health benefits of garlic come from its sulfur compounds such as allicin, diallyl disulfide, and S-allicitine, which appear to have anti-inflammatory properties. An analysis of 17 high-quality studies, including over 830 participants and lasting 4 to 48 weeks, found that people who took garlic supplements experienced significantly reduced blood levels of the inflammatory marker CRP. However, aged garlic extract was more effective and reduced blood levels of both CRP and TNF-A. Other studies have shown that garlic may help raise antioxidants in the body such as glutathione and superoxide dismutase, while regulating inflammation, promoting markers like interleukin 10 and nuclear factor Kb. Garlic is versatile and easy to add to your dishes. Alternatively, you can purchase concentrated garlic and aged garlic extract supplements in health food stores and online. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice popular in Indian cuisine that people have used since ancient times. It's packed with over 300 active compounds. The main one is an antioxidant called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Numerous studies have shown that curcumin can block the activation of NF-κB, a molecule that activates genes that promote inflammation. An analysis of 15 high-quality studies followed 1,223 people who took 112 to 4,000 milligrams of curcumin daily for periods of 3 days to 36 weeks. Taking curcumin significantly reduced inflammatory markers compared with taking a placebo. Markers included interleukin 6, high sensitivity C-reactive protein, and melandialdehyde. Studies in people with osteoarthritis have found that taking curcumin supplements provided pain relief similar to that of the common non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs ibuprofen and diclofenac. Unfortunately, turmeric only contains 3% of the curcumin by weight and your body does not absorb it well. It's best to take curcumin with black pepper as the latter contains a compound called piperine which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. If you're looking to take curcumin for its anti-inflammatory properties, it's best to purchase curcumin supplements, ideally ones that also contain black pepper extract or piperine. You can purchase them from health food stores and online. Number 4. Cardamom. Cardamom is a spice native to Southeast Asia. It has a complex, sweet, spicy flavor. Research suggests that taking cardamom supplements may reduce inflammatory markers such as CRP, IL-6, TNF-A, and MDA. Additionally, one study found that cardamom raised antioxidant status by 90%. An 8-week study in 80 people with pre-diabetes found that taking 3 grams of cardamom daily significantly reduced inflammatory markers such as HS, CRP, IL-6, and MDA compared with a placebo. Similarly, a 12-week study gave 87 people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease either 3 grams of cardamom daily or a placebo. Those who took the cardamom had significantly reduced levels of the inflammatory markers HS, CRP, TNF-A, and IL-6. Taking cardamom also reduced the degree of fatty liver disease. The rich, complex flavor of cardamom makes it an excellent addition to curries and stews. The spice is also available as a supplement in powder or capsule form.